Hey guys, Gail Young here with Mosquito Joe of Gulf Coast, Alabama. Today we are going to be talking about my least favorite pest, gnats, specifically eye gnats. I'm going to give you 3 tips on things you can do around your home to help minimize your eye gnat population. Tip number 1 is going to be removing leaf litter. A lot of landscapers like to blow all the leaves into piles and just leave them there, and that's actually worst case scenario. You want to get them to mulch them back or totally remove them from the property. Tip number 2 is going to be overwatering your lawn. Obviously, we can't do anything about big rain events we have around here, but you can monitor your sprinkler system if you have one, and just make sure that if we've had a lot of rain, you're not overwatering your lawn. Tip number 3 is going to be removing pet waste. This would be ideal to remove it every day, but certainly every couple days you want to remove it completely from your property. We hope these tips help you to reduce your eye gnat problem at your property.